a video review of the Yumetwins Kawaii monthly box of Japanese cute stuff delivered direct to your door. I'm Chris, this is Yellow Productions. I do travel guides that are fun, informative, and entertaining. This is part of my series on monthly subscription boxes. Previous to this, I did a review of the Japan ramen box where you can get ramen delivered direct to your door. You can find a link right here in the corner or in the description below if you want to see all about ramen delivered monthly. But in this box, this is a box of Japanese cute stuff delivered to your door every month direct from Japan. This is not a sponsored video, though Yumetwins did send me this box to unbox for you guys right here. And if you're curious how much this box costs, it's $35 per box. You get a discount if you buy more than one. So the first thing you see inside the box is a little brochure right here. It's actually quite a nice brochure that tells you this is the party animal box, and it goes through and describes everything that is in the box with a neat little description. But I'm not going to go through the pamphlet. Why go through that when I can show you what's inside the box? The first thing you see is this little message up here that tells you Konnichiwa, spread the kawaii love, post and tag. And we see there's a few items in here. The first one I'm going to talk about is this one. In this bag is a moving bunny ears hat. These are all the rage in Harajuku. In the boxes, they come in two colors. This box comes in white or pink. I got the white one. And these are also popular in Korea, but the way these work, you'll see actually a lot of K-pop stars wearing them, but the way this works, you put on this hat, and then it's got these little things right here, and you can push this and squeeze it, and it moves the ears. Isn't this pretty cute? I think this is pretty cute. I think everybody needs one of these things. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this bunny ear hat. I mean, the cuteness is definitely beginning here. Next up in the box, we have the Sumiko Gurashi coaster. This coaster, it's made of cork. It comes in 4 different varieties. There's a penguin, a cat. Which one did I get? I got the tonkatsu one right there. It's a piece of pork, and this thing's authentic. Right down here, it says it is made in Japan. That's a pretty cute coaster. Good to make it so my drinks don't wet the table. What's up in the box next? A glitter keychain. This one comes in 4 varieties. I got the I'm Doraemon variety, and let's open this up and see what's inside this box. Look at that. It's a cute Doraemon character. This guy, super popular in Japan. Maybe like their Winnie the Pooh or something like that. Doraemon, pretty cute, and it's got some glitter inside of it. Next up from the box, we've got the sparkly bowl. This right here comes in 6 different varieties. I got the Rilakuma variety with this cute little bear right there. Kind of matches the keychain with the pink glitter. I think this one's got cherry blossoms on it. Next up, we've got the Sakura kitchen set. This comes with 2 kitchen sponges that look like cherry blossoms, and right here, a little thing that you can store your food in that says Sakura. Maybe good for storing pieces of apple, grapes, things like that in it. Cute and pink. And the last thing in the box is a Sanrio letter set. This comes with 12 pieces of paper, 6 envelopes, and a sheet of stickers so you can send cute letters all over the world. Well, hey, so if you're interested in getting one of these boxes, how do you do it? There's a link in the description below if you want to see more, $35 a month. If you love cute Japanese stuff, I think $35 for all these things. I mean, particularly this is worth the $35 alone. So if you order one, what's going to be in your box? Well, that's hard to say because every month it's a different box. But you know what's going to be in your box? It's guaranteed not to be what's in my box, but it's also guaranteed to be cute and from Japan. That's part of the fun. Check out that link down below, and if you want to know more about the Japan ramen box, well, you can click right here to watch my video about ramen. You'll find a link in the description below for that too. Well, as usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in the next video.